With your most accurate forecast on this Wednesday, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We'll be starting off warm with temperatures in the lower 80s here at 8 o'clock, heating up to the mid-90s at midday, and forecasting a high today of 103, which is 4 degrees above the normal for this time of year, which is 99. Elsewhere across the valley, highs ranging from 98 in Cave Creek to 100 in Anthem, 101 in Deer Valley, they're on the 17, and hotter still farther to the south in places like Glendale and Scottsdale, both at 102. 103, though, in Tempe, Mesa, and Gilbert, along with Chandler, Queen Creek, and in the West Valley. Highs also anywhere from 97 in Wickenburg to 102 in Surprise and 103 in Goodyear, Buckeye, and even down in Maricopa today. Northern Arizona, highs near 80 degrees in Flagstaff. We're going to keep highs in the 80s in the Four Corners area around Window Rock and Chinle. 91 along the Grand Circle, Winslow, Kingman 92, and then 100s there in Mojave County, including Lake Havasu City and Bullhead City too. Down south, areas like the Old Pueblo and Casa Grande reaching the century mark. Now, we are expecting some passing clouds today later this afternoon, but the forecast for most of us remains dry today and also tomorrow. Not enough to really cool things down. In fact, here is your forecast for the next 3 days. We do drop the highs tomorrow by 1 degree, still at 102. That's above normal. And then look at the forecast Friday. That'll be the hottest out of the next 7 at 106. In fact, we do have some heat alerts that take effect Friday and Saturday, specifically for Mojave County, as an extreme heat watch will take effect and could be upgraded to an extreme heat warning. Areas like Bullhead City and Lake Mead will be forecasting highs anywhere from 104 to 108. But we are monitoring the tropics, specifically off the Pacific coast there in Mexico, as this potential tropical storm could develop later, not just today, but in the next couple of days. Now, it will not have a direct impact to the forecast in Arizona, but the moisture with it could head our way. So the chance of rain does pick up, especially for the weekend. The best shot will be along the rim, with the chance for storms here at 60 to 70%. Northern Arizona, think areas like Flagstaff. Southeast Arizona, think areas like Tucson. And in central Arizona, think the valley. The chance for storms will be anywhere from 30 to 50% this weekend. So with the rain chances going up, those temperatures therefore drop a bit. After staying in the 100s throughout at least Saturday with lows in the 70s and 80s, those highs dip below average beginning Sunday and early next week, with highs staying in the mid-90s in the valley and lows in the 70s, then slowly drying out beginning on Tuesday.